Grandma, your milk truck. Show Grandma your milk truck.
I'm showing it.
And how happy are you about your milk truck?
Okay, truck. Look at.
Yeah? Hold it up so it can be seen on the camera.
Grandma.
Hold it up.
Pick up your milk truck so Grandma Boo can see it, okay? Can you bring it over by her so she can see it?
No.
What did you do when you got your milk truck?
I got a milk truck.
Show me what you did when you got your milk truck, how happy you were.
I have it really.
Yes, you did. And did you do jumping?
Hmm?
Show me your jumping. Awesome. Awesome.
This one's a truck too. It's not a truck.
And here's another big truck.
Here's a truck. It's a milk truck.
Is this a truck?
Yeah, it's car, Sammy. I'm driving on this street. I'm driving on the truck on this street.
Do you need this part of this truck too? So you have two big trucks?
Too big.
You got two big trucks.
It's standing.
You know when there's a series that says collect them all? There's only two in this series.
That could be.